Hi, my name is Lisa Beach, and I am the Engineering Change Manager at American Battery Solutions. I am responsible for reviewing and managing all of the changes in the organization. So they can come from anyone in the organization: manufacturing, service, engineering, purchasing. Any team member that identifies a need for a change submits a change, and I review it with cross-functional team members, and we decide whether or not we want to move forward with that change. I worked on a variety of our products since being here, both low voltage and high voltage, not from a design perspective, but more from field service and engineering change management. But I've had the opportunity to work with everyone on those teams and make those products better for our customers. The favorite part of my job for me is being able to work with that cross-functional team and engaging with all of the members to help improve our products and develop solutions to complex problems that we may come across, and help support our internal team as well as our customers. I personally, as an engineer, have always been intrigued with technology in any industry, and the rapid pace of technology changing is really exciting to me. Trying to make products better or processes better, whether it's in manufacturing or just everyday life, trying to make things better and more efficient, more cost-effective, safer, and more sustainable. The biggest challenges I find being in change management, as opposed to other areas I've worked in my career, is that people generally are just resistant to change. It's difficult for people to accept change. It's not comfortable and it requires effort. Personally, I use change as an opportunity for growth. I know it's not going to be comfortable. I know it's not going to be easy, but I always learn something, and there's opportunities to get better by going through that process. So I try to use my own personal experience working with the team, especially cross-functionally, to make sure through good communication that we're all on the same page, we're working towards the same goals, and we're doing what's best for our company and for our customers.